Euro USD. Now, the overall direction at the moment in Euro USD, if we just zoom in and take a look, we can see that the market formed a ranging area here where the pushes to the upside got smaller and smaller. We then took a breakout of this higher low point right here, creating a lower low on the daily time frame. We've then taken a retracement to the upside. Have we broken this lower high at 1.18500? No, we've not. So until we break that point, that's where I'm more bearish on this market than I am bullish, until we form some new structure that could get broken to take us back to the upside. So at the moment, overall looking bigger picture to the downside. We've taken this retracement of higher highs and higher lows right here where the market was forming these higher highs and higher lows. But what have we seen happen? Well, this higher low point right here got violated and formed a lower low in the market. So if we've seen it violate and form a lower low, we've then formed a lower high. We've then formed a new lower low. So what direction am I going to be looking for this market to trade in? Well, I'm going to be looking for some downside potential in this market. This arrow on the chart, ascending arrow, is just to highlight really we broke out of that ascending move. That is all that does. It just highlights that. And we're now in a descending move. Okay, so we're now in a descending move. I'm looking for potential dollar weakness. Potential dollar weakness could take this to the upside. So right now, we have seen the minor structure here on the 1 hour be broken to the upside. Can you see this minor structure area just through here then? Sorry, let's just make this a bit better and put a proper structure line on the chart. Okay, so just through there, that sort of structure line got broken with this higher high point. I'm now looking for this sort of retracement to continue. So this here is a 4-hour fib from the high here. I know we're on the 1 hour time frame, but this will be a 4-hour fib. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, you'll see 4-hour fib. Okay, we rejected from the 61.8. But I believe that at the moment we could continue with this retracement a bit deeper before seeing the drop. And that falls in line with some potential weakness on the dollar to push Euro USD a bit more to the upside before seeing it roll over to the downside. That's how I use the dollar. However, if we manage to break out of this 1 hour time frame ascending move, that's fine, because that means that we will end up breaking through the region of 1.17, and we then just look for some structure to form to see this continue to the downside. So as you can see, I'm always prepared to adapt to the market conditions. If I need to adapt to the market conditions, I will, and you should too. And that's something that people have messaged me about this week, following on from the live episode where I was talking about reacting and adapting. This could happen, make sure you react and adapt. And people have messaged me on Instagram saying to me, it is so important now that they've realized that don't be fixed on just one bias. If things change, and to adapt to the market conditions. Okay, so understand that you sometimes have to adapt to the market conditions. So that there's Euro USD.